Have you ever noticed that a country can look integrated on paper while feeling divided in daily life? People work beside each other, shop beside each other, drive beside each other. Yet beneath the surface, many are not truly sharing the same national story. They're only occupying the same space. Superficial integration happens when public participation replaces inward allegiance. A person may know the transport system, the tax system, the welfare system, the employment system, yet still remain emotionally, culturally, morally, and civilly detached from the host nation. That's where the fracture begins. The public mistake was assuming contact meant cohesion. Government saw attendance and called it belonging. It saw residency and called it settlement. It saw paperwork and called it citizenship formation. But integration's not merely living in Australia. It's learning to carry Australia inwardly. When integration stays superficial, the signs become visible slowly. People obey enough law to function, but not enough cultural expectation to belong. They access national benefits, but do not necessarily absorb national obligations, and they live under Australian order while retaining stronger loyalty to imported identity, foreign grievance, communal pressure, or religious cultural authority. This does not always appear as open hostility. It appears as distance, separate networks, separate moral codes, separate assumptions about women, authority, family, freedom, speech, law, and criticism. The majority may still appear calm, but psychologically they begin adapting around the gap. They lower expectations, they avoid hard conversations, they accept parallel behaviour as normal. They stop expecting deep loyalty because superficial compliance has been rebranded as success. And that's the deeper civic danger. A nation cannot survive on surface level coexistence alone. It needs shared restraint, shared gratitude, shared law, shared inheritance, shared responsibility. And when the majority stops requiring these things, integration becomes decorative. It looks peaceful until strain arrives. Then the truth surfaces. People who never truly shared the same national foundation do not necessarily carry the same burden when the country is tested. Superficial integration does not immediately destroy a nation. It hollows it out. It leaves the buildings standing, the systems operating, and the slogans intact. But underneath, allegiance is thinned. And when allegiance thins, belonging becomes performance.